What's up, everybody? This is Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com. Today we're going to talk about Pageoneify and the discount codes that might get your account suspended. All right, welcome back. So I started getting a couple comments late last week. People are like, oh, the giveaways are, causing account suspensions and this and that. And it's kind of funny. I had just done a giveaway and my account did not get suspended. So I think it's just a few accounts that have been kind of called out. But as you can see here on Pageoneify's site, they've put a big, banner on the top that says "Beware of old launch strategies. Discount code launches can get your account suspended." And then there's a video here. I'll put a link for this below. So what they're doing now, instead of the launches, because there has been some account suspensions, is they're doing more like a PPC launch for people. So basically, you pay to have Pageoneify, who's got expert PPC people on staff, to do the PPC launch for you. Now, I'm going to basically say in this scenario that I think this could be useful for people that don't understand media buying and don't understand how the PPC system works. But on the second hand, I feel like if you're going to be a seller on Amazon for the long haul, you should really understand how the PPC system works. So if you don't know anything about it and you've never bought media in the past, maybe this would be a good opportunity for you to launch PPC with your Amazon product launch, and I'll have them do it. But maybe if you could possibly follow along and you can really understand what they're doing, that would be a good learning experience. But if you're just going to let them do it and you're not really going to learn it, I think you're asking for trouble down the road, because I think you really need to understand how their PPC system works. I actually kind of really learned the PPC system here when I did my last launch. I was actually running PPC for a number of weeks before I did my actual product launch. And I was actually up on the second page of Amazon, which is like being on the 10th page. But I made it up to the second page. And then actually on desktop, I was on the home page just from PPC on my own, doing it all on my own. And I put a guide below on how to set up a launch PPC campaign. I did a PDF on that, and you can check that out below. But then when I did the actual launch with Pageoneify, you can see here I was running, and this is a screenshot I took last week. I was running the sponsored ad. This is me here, and then I was also in the #1 position because of the launch and the giveaways I was doing. So I made it up to the #1 position at one point for a baby shower banner, which was the keyword I was going after. And this is a fairly heavily searched keyword. And then let's see where I'm at today. This is going to be a live. I don't even know where I'm at, but I know I've fallen a little bit. Not surprising. I mean, it's not like you're going to stay at the top forever. But if you can stay on that home page, that's pretty good, I think, and just keep up on the PPC. So let's go into Amazon here. This is an incognito window. I'm just going to search baby shower banner, and let's see what comes up here. All right, so here I am in the sponsored. Okay, I'm still paying for the PPC, so that is working. Let's see if I'm still on the home page even at all. And I'm still not there. I did sell a couple of these units today, so I'm getting some sales, and I'm not on the home page yet. I'm still on desktop, scrolling down, and there's still a few more to go here. I only got this window open 3 wide. I'm going to guess I'm probably on the second page on mobile by now. I haven't seen me on the first page here. Let's see if I'm on the second page. So this probably means to tell me maybe I'm not showing this whole screen here. Let me see if I'm missing something here. Okay, I'm not really missing anything. Okay, let's see if I am on the second page. I would think I'd still be on the first page because I have been getting some. Oh, there I am. Okay, so I'm on the second page, and it's kind of hard to see here. It's over there. All right, so I've fallen back to the second page after the launch, which is kind of disappointing. Which leads me to believe that there's probably an issue here with my image. Okay, I looking at the other images here. These people are taking up more of the space here. I know on a mobile phone my image doesn't actually it kind of looks too it doesn't look lengthy enough. It looks too toward the top, and it doesn't take up the whole screen. So Notice here they have some people in there. Let's go back to the home page and kind of see what I'm working with or going against and why my thing is maybe not sticking. This image to me isn't really that much better than mine, but that's a sponsored ad. And this image here has the Amazon's Choice badge. The only thing I can think of here is they're so low priced, but the image isn't particularly great in my opinion. It looks okay. But I mean, I don't know. I feel like my image isn't that bad compared to the rest. You know what I'm saying? Like it's not like terrible. Like it's not so bad that like it's bad. I mean, I have the banner. I have my banner. I have some extra stuff here. I'm fairly low priced. I'm really not even making much money at $10.99. I got all of my 5-star reviews here. I got 6 reviews now, all 5-star. I don't really feel like I have that bad of a product on there, but it's just not. This is the second time I did a launch, so I've dumped a lot of money into this. I'm spending a lot of money on PPC. I'm getting some sales, but I'm really not making any money on this product. So I think I maybe just have a loser here. It is what it is. I do have another product that actually is doing okay. It was selling better. I got to do a little research and find out why it's falling off a little bit. But on this keyword, it's not a highly trafficked keyword. I do have the Amazon Choice badge here, and I'm getting some sales still with this for the Same Forever banner. And I did order some more of that stock, and it's in stock now, and I shouldn't run out now. But the sales were doing really good, like 6 to 8 a day, and now they're down to like 1 or 2 or 3 a day. So I don't know whether someone has come in and they're outbidding me on everything or what. I got to do a little bit more research on the PPC and find out what happened there. But that's a game we're playing here on Amazon, guys. So you better learn PPC. I mean, that's kind of the moral of the story here. If you're playing in this field and you just have someone do your PPC for you, then what happens when you do fall off the homepage or your sales do go down and you don't know how to do the PPC? You better freaking figure it out, and because otherwise you're going to have no sales and you got all this inventory and your sales go down the drain. So, this particular products that I'm in, these niches, they're very competitive. There's a lot of people trying to do the same exact thing that I'm trying to do, similar type products. I'm not really differentiated that much from the next guy with a banner. I feel like this time around is a good learning experience for me. I do have one product that I did reorder that actually is making a little bit of money, and I have 2 products that aren't making me money at the moment. But I'm getting a lot of experience when it comes to PPC and launches. I've done now 3 launches. I'm going to do a 4th. I got to talk to these guys over at Pageoneify and find out the next move here, because I didn't get my last launch in before they started shutting down accounts, and I don't want to get my account banned. So the scenario here is, if you guys are watching this and your account has been banned, you just got to go through the rigmarole of trying to get your account back. It's no different than Facebook. When your account goes down, they don't really tell you a lot. You got to go in there and you got to admit your faults, tell them you made a mistake, and kind of beg for your account back. That's what I would recommend. More than likely, you'll get it back. If you don't, you don't. If you do, you do. Hopefully, you will. Fortunately, I haven't been banned yet. But as far as Pageoneify and everybody that's been commenting on my video that gets a lot of traffic, yes, the rumors are true. If you do a launch the old-fashioned way with the launch strategy and the discount code, you could potentially get your account banned. So you better pivot. Go ahead, and if you are interested in Pageoneify, click on the link below, and they'll do the PPC launch for you, and you can launch your product that way. But in my personal opinion, I would say you better learn PPC yourself, or tell Pageoneify during the whole process that you want to follow along to see exactly what they're doing, and even maybe record the screens so you can use their strategy over and over again and get basically you're paying for the launch, so you might as well learn the strategy at the same time. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today. This is the Marketing Meathead channel, and we do talk about everything from online marketing to Amazon FBA to Shopify to affiliate marketing. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Go ahead and bang the notifications bell. Go ahead and like this video. If you haven't dropped a like on this video, I'd appreciate it. I do reply to each and every comment, and especially in the first 30 minutes. So I am the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.